everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a full body version of Godzilla from Godzilla Final Wars. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Final Wars full body, let's begin up here with the top of the head. So we're going to start with the eyes, so let's begin by making a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come back. And then we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to leave some space. We're just going to go down, and then we're going to come back like a check mark. Now, starting here, we're going to curve up for the eyes. We'll do the same thing, just kind of go down and then curve up, and kind of like a half circle shape. For the eyebrow, we're going to go up and then come back down. Same thing here. We're going to go up and then come back down. Right here, we're going to make a little sad face for the top of the nose. We're going to draw a line that's going to go out and down, and same thing here, out and down. I'm going to color in a little black dot on each side, and we're just going to go down and up. Now, right at the bottom of the nose, let's make a little line that comes down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out and then curve around. And then same thing here. We're just going to go out and then bring it around for the front of the mouth. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And same thing here. We're going to go up and then just kind of come out a little bit. Then we're going to bring a line up and down here. And same thing here, just up and down. Then right across the top of the nose, we're going to make a couple little curved lines. Then we're going to bring this out and in. And same thing here, out and then in. I'm going to bring this line up on each side. Then we're going to bring this line all the way across here for the top of the head. Then we're going to bring a couple little broken lines that are going to come down right towards the center of the head. Up here, we're going to make a little line that goes up to a point and back down for the ear. Same thing here, up to a point and then down. Let's begin with the mouth. Let's start by making two lines that come down on each side. Then we're going to curve them in. And then we're going to curve it across here. Same thing here, we're going to go down and in, down and in. Then we're going to go down, we're going to curve it around, and then up for the mouth. For the teeth, let's make some big fangs right here and a couple little smaller teeth in the middle. Then we'll make some smaller teeth on each side. And then we'll make some little teeth right across the bottom here. We'll make a line down and a line on each side for the tongue. Now, for the neck, we're going to begin by making a line that's going to come down on each side. And then I'm just going to curve this in a little bit here, some broken lines. We're going to make a line that's going to curve down on each side for like where the top of the shoulders are going to kind of be. And then right here, we're going to bring a line that's going to come down and in. And then down and in for the chest. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line down on each side. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come down on each side for like the stomach. I'm going to draw a little broken line across. we're going to make another little curved line that comes out on each side. Now let's come back up here. I want to make a line that goes out and then down on each side to start the arms. Then we're going to make another little line that's going to come across here. Next, we're going to bring this down a little farther. And then we're going to bring this out on each side. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come to a point, and then we're going to bring it down for a claw. Then I'm going to do one here. We're going to go out. We're going to come out to a point and back. Then we'll do one more, come out to a point and back. We're going to come out. We're going to curve it down to a point and up. And we're going to bring it over to here for the hand. Let's do the same thing over here. Let's start right about here. We're going to go up, curve down to a point for a claw, and come back. Then we're going to bring this down. I want to bring a line that's going to come out to a point and back. And then another one, we're going to come down to a point and then bring it back. We're going to bring this down for the thumb. We're going to curve to a point right to here. And we're just going to connect this here. So it kind of looks like the hands are coming at you. Then go ahead and connect any parts of the arm that you need to. Now, starting here, we're going to go down a little bit, and then we're going to bring it up here. Same thing over here. We're just going to come down, and then we're going to bring it up here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come out and in. And the same thing here, we're going to go out and then in. I'm going to curve a line around for the knee on each side. Then we're just going to go out and then in for the bottom of the leg. Out and then in. Now for the foot, I'm going to bring this line down here to a point and back. We'll go same thing here, down to a point and back. Down to a point and back. And then one more, down to a point and back here. We're going to do the same thing, down to a point and back. Down to a point and back. One more here. And then we're going to come down to a point and bring it up. Next, we're going to bring this in on each side. Then we're going to curve it up. And same thing here, we're going to curve this up for the leg. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's just going to curve down for the back of the tail, or the bottom of the tail. And then we're going to curve this line out to here. We're going to come up to a rounded point and then bring it back towards the body. Now, here's our basic shape. Let's come in here and add some of the different details. So let's start up here on the eyes, and let's go ahead and draw two little lines in here for the pupils. And then I'm going to add just a couple more little lines kind of right around the eyes. We're going to add some little curved lines here, and then a couple more little lines coming right around here. We'll bring some of these lines in. I'm going to draw some little broken lines in here, and then a few lines coming up here. We're going to make a few little lines kind of right around the chest area. And then a couple more right around here. I want to make a couple little curved lines right around here on all the claws. And you can always add a second line right around it just to make it look like there's some wrinkles on there. Then we're going to do the same thing right here down on the claws. Just add a curved line and then a couple extra little curved lines on here. Then we're just going to make a couple more little curved lines in here. And I'm going to make some little broken lines that are going to go across the legs. We'll do that on each side, just to make some nice little broken lines right across here. And then we're going to make some little lines that are just going to kind of go up and down the legs too. This is just to kind of help us with some scale patterns and texture. So we're just going to make these little broken lines coming right across here. We'll do some little lines right across the knees too. I'm going to make some of these broken lines coming all the way down our Final War Godzilla body, and we'll even go right down into the tail. So just these long, quick little broken lines on here, and this will just kind of help us add some nice texture on there. We're going to bring these kind of up into here. And then we just want to kind of go across here as well, just to kind of add a little bit of texture and detail. We'll even do the same thing up here on the arms. You can see I'm kind of curving these just to kind of help show where all the different bumps and everything are. And we'll just kind of bring these across. We're going to put some little curved lines right up here. And some lines coming down here as well. We'll put some wavy, bumpy lines on here. And then we're just going to put some little bumpy lines right on here as well for some spikes up on top. And I'll put just a couple more bumps on the face too. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Final Wars Godzilla body. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.